NCERT Maths Class 6 Chapter 1 Exercise 1.3 Question 1. Estimate each of the following using general rule. Part A, 730 plus 998. Part B, 796 minus 314. Part C, 904 plus 2888. Part D, 28,292 minus 21,496. And second part of it is make 10 more such examples of addition, subtraction and estimation of their outcome. So we solve part A. (730) plus 998. These are rounded to nearest 100. Seven hundred thirty becomes 700 and 998 becomes 1000. So on adding these we get 1700. Part B, 796 minus 314. These are rounded to nearest 100. So 796 becomes 800 and 314 is rounded to 300. So on subtraction we get 500, which is our answer. Part C, 12,904 plus 2,888. These are rounded to nearest 1000. So 12,904 becomes 13,000 plus 2888 becomes 3000. So on adding we get 16,000. Part D. $28,292 minus 21,496. These are rounded to nearest thousand. $28,292 becomes 28,000 minus 21,496 becomes 21,000. So on subtracting we get 7,000, which is our answer. Next part of the question is to make 10 more such examples of addition, subtraction and estimation of their outcome. So we make some such examples, 10 such examples. Our example 1, $57 plus 21. This gives us 57 is rounded to nearest tens, which is 60, plus 21 is rounded to nearest 10, which is 20. This gives us the answer 80. Second example is 87 minus 26. So on rounding to nearest tens, 87 becomes 90 and 26 becomes 30. So on subtraction we get 90 minus 30, which is 60. Our third example is 728 plus 597. So we round off these two nearest 100. 728 becomes 700 plus 597 becomes 600. This gives us 1300. Our fourth example is 878 minus 320. We round off to nearest 100. So 878 becomes 900 minus 320 becomes 300. So we get 900 minus 300, which is 600. Our fifth example is 3745 plus 5827 This we are rounding off to nearest 1000. So we get 3745 is rounded to 4000 plus 5827 becomes 6000. The answer becomes 10,000. Our sixth example is 8279 minus 3127. So on rounding off we get 8279 is rounded to nearest 1000, which becomes 8000, and 3127 becomes 3000. So 8000 minus 3000 gives us 5000. Our seventh example is 4851 plus 1236. So 4851 is rounded to nearest 1000, which gives us 5000 plus 1236 becomes 1000. This gives us 6000. 5000 plus 1000, 6000. Example 8 gives us 5375 minus 2955. So 5375 on rounding off to nearest 1000 becomes 5000 minus 2955 becomes 3000. So 5000 minus 3000 gives us 2000. Example 9, 15,725 plus 12,255 on rounding off to nearest 1000, 15,725 becomes 16,000. And 12,255 becomes 12,000. So 16,000 plus 12,000 give us 28,000. Our 10th example is 12,517 minus 10,327. On rounding up to nearest thousand, we get 12,517 becomes 13,000 minus 10,327 becomes 10,000. So on subtracting, we get 13,000 minus 10,000 equal to 3,000. This way we can round off to nearest 3-digit or 4-digit numbers, and we can get the correct estimation of our questions.